Let's be honest, English is not hard, it's just a little scary when someone says, "Tell me about yourself." From accent to grammar to confidence, every Nepali student has faced it. Today, let's talk about the real English barriers we all know and how Mobeeco helps you break them smartly. Speaking English isn't about grammar, it's about confidence. But for many Nepali students, fear of being judged stops them from even trying. We all overthink grammar like it's math. But here's the truth, fluency matters more than flawless grammar. Different accents, fast speech, we've all been there. Listening sections feel like decoding a secret message. We've all said "exam" instead of "exam." It's fine, pronunciation improves with the right guidance. With so much info online, it's hard to know what's actually effective. That's where Mobeeco becomes your guide. Mobeeco connects you with verified English prep centers and tutors who train you to speak confidently, not perfectly. One verified app connecting you to the best prep centers, verified trainers, and genuine reviews. No confusion. From struggling with simple sentences to scoring their dream band, thousands of Nepali students are leveling up with verified help from Mobeeco. So, if English has been your biggest barrier, make Mobeeco your biggest advantage. Don't just study abroad. Prepare smart, speak strong, succeed confidently.